So you have some big goals, some big dreams. But how do you take those big goals, those big dreams, and turn them into reality? I'm going to show you one of the most powerful ways to manifest anything, and I do mean anything that you desire, using scripting. And I'm going to go through it with you step by step. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Want to remind you to click the bell icon when you subscribe, because we are here all the time with new videos to empower your life with the law of attraction. So scripting, people have asked me over and over again, how do you get into scripting? What's the best way to script? Well, the best way to script is the way that you script and everything comes together. In other words, I've tried different types of scripting, and this particular method of scripting works well. I mean, it's very effective and it's easy for my mind to absorb, especially my unconscious mind, where my counterintentions and fears and doubts may live. So scripting will help you get to where you want to go, but you need to write down what you want your life to look like. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? Get in detail with the kind of life that you desire. Now remember, scripting is not a diary. Some people confuse scripting with a diary. You write down what happened today. That's not scripting. That's a diary. This is scripting. This is creating. This is manifesting. This is building the life you want. Look, do you want that relationship, that special relationship? Script it. Do you want $1 million? Script it. Do you want better health? Script it. Do you want that new car? Script it. Do you want that new home? Script it. Scripting is the secret. So high flyers, as I said, I'm going to go through this step by step with you. So there are 3 sections in my scripting diary. And so section number 1 deals with gratitude. Gratitude is the highest, the absolute highest vibration. It intermingles and aligns with love and joy and happiness. So when you are focused on gratitude, it's impossible to have doubts. It's impossible to have fears. It's impossible to have worries or any of the other kinds of thoughts that are going to get in your way and stop you from manifesting what you desire. Now, the important thing is that you focus on present tense gratitude. And you're going to write down 6 things. 6. There's a reason for the number 6. 6 represents kind of this every direction, the 5 directions plus the center. It represents kind of a wholeness. So I like the number 6. If you like 4 better, if you like 5 better, that's fine. I like 6. That's what's worked for me. So you give it a try. 6 present tense gratitude. Now we're not gonna write something down like, I'm grateful for my nose. Okay, we know that you're grateful for your nose. And the next time you find yourself breathing deep, you might think about that. But right now, we're focusing on manifesting, attracting, and creating. So I'm going to focus on what I'm grateful for that hasn't physically shown up in my life yet, but I know that it exists in an alternate world, in an alternate reality. I know that in another world, this life exists. I'm absolutely certain of it, and I'm drawing it into my world. Or should I say, I'm drawing myself into that alternate world. It's very important to understand that our timeline isn't just linear. We are literally entering doors all the time. So this is, and I'll get into that in another video. But the gratitude that I would use would be something like, I'm grateful for our new home with our swimming pool and palm trees and all the beautiful rooms that we have. Now, that's one that I might have used 6 months ago. Okay? So you get the idea? You haven't been there yet physically, but you make it in present tense. I'm grateful that I'm in the relationship with the love of my life. It's absolutely wonderful. I have my soulmate in my life, and I'm just filled with joy and happiness. I'm so grateful. Okay? How about money? I'm grateful that money just keeps flowing into my life, without any effort hardly. I mean, I'm grateful that I'm now a millionaire and that I can take care of my family and my friends and I can contribute to society. I love the vibration of money. Now, that might be a present tense gratitude one that deals with money. So you get the idea. Everyone is present tense and they're always about what you are drawing into the future. It's not that these realities don't exist. They do exist. It's that you are drawing them into your reality, or you're drawing yourself into their reality. Nobody knows for sure which one it is. Okay, so I'm going to write 6 of them every morning when I get up. Okay, after I get cleaned up, do my morning rituals, I sit down at my desk and I write these gratitudes. Then, intentions. What are my intentions? Now, some people say you only need to write them once, Robert. I don't agree with that. Why not write your intention down repetitively? It goes deeper into the subconscious mind and it sends a deeper, more powerful, poignant message into the multiverse. So think about this. We're going to throw 3 intentions, 3 primary intentions. My intention is, that's how it starts out. My intention is to manifest $1 million in my savings account. And then you can get into gratitude with it, but you don't have to. That's just your intention. My intention is to have an incredible relationship with, fill in the name, or someone better. Okay, so here are your intentions. Write down 3 intentions, your 3 primary intentions that you're focused on in your life. And then finally, the magical scripting. Why is it magical? Because it helps you transform from one state of consciousness to another. So we're going to write what I call a snippet. And a snippet is just a short paragraph. Today, Rachel and I were walking on the beach in San Diego. And she was looking in my eyes, I was looking in hers, and we began falling deeper and deeper in love. And then, after spending some time on the beach, we went to this little restaurant that had the best margaritas I've ever had in my entire life. And the 2 of us sipped on margaritas while we laughed and enjoyed each other's company the rest of the evening. It's a snippet. It's like a paragraph. That's it. It's present tense. It represents energy. It represents vibration, high flyers. So maybe that will or will not happen exactly the way I wrote it down. But something similar, the same kind of energy, the same kind of feeling will happen, will manifest. So high flyers, everything is in present tense. The one thing that you want to ask yourself, if I can be anything I want, what would my life look like? What would your life look like if you could be anything that you wanted to be? Because you can. So before I go, high flyers, let me just say this. Share with me your scripting secrets. I'd like to know what works for you. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.